Hi, this is how you edit your Instagram highlight using the Canva app. You click Canva and then you're going to pick Instagram Story as a template. Click Instagram Story and we're going to select blank and you tap to edit the background color. In this case, I'm going to choose our red for Keep It Simple Social Media. Then you click the plus to add an illustration. Gonna click here and search for design element. I'm gonna put gear because I want to do an Instagram highlight cover about our video gear. So here I'm gonna click gear. You kind of have it centered in the middle, and then I click done. Then you're gonna save it to your camera roll, and in step 2, I'm gonna show you how to add it as a cover on your Instagram highlight. Okay, to add it to your Instagram highlight, you go into your Instagram account and click highlight. Now you choose one of your stories. So I'm going to take one with our video equipment, click next, click edit cover, click image, choose your image that you just created on Canva, click done, and that's it. Now you can name your highlight, and I recommend naming it with as text here as opposed to text on the image because it makes it really small if you add text on the image. Click add, and that's it. Now I have my little cover. The thing I want to show you is how to access your stories archives because goes really well for your to create your folders. You want to have all your stories in one spot. So you click the magic hamburger and then you go into settings way at the bottom, and then you have to go into privacy and security here. And under this, you go into story control and you have to go see how it says save to camera roll and save to archives. So I don't really like saving them to camera roll, but I do save them to my archives, and that way I have access to every single story we've done on this little clock on the top left, so I can pick which story I'd like to add into my different highlight folders. That's a little ninja tip for you.